viewer, today I'm going to show you how to install Windows Server 2008 R2 in VirtualBox. So first what I'll do, I'll click here and here type VMware such as server 2008 R2, and here ISO image. I'm clicking here and click order. Now I am selecting iOS file from my computer, Windows Server 2008, and select and open here, and then set up content and test installation here, and then here type serial code, product key. Now I'm selecting my product key, server standard product key. I'm selecting here, right click, copy here, then I'll go to the VirtualBox, paste it here, this one, and host name, test VirtualBox.org, and the domain name such as test. This finished. Now I will put VirtualBox. Now I am change this, type test, type password, root 3, type password. This is the finish. Now I will go to the specify virtual hardware. Click here. This is the default RAM TV. You just finish, and then I will and then here the virtual hard disk. And then click finish. Oh, preparing Windows for loading file. It will take some time to finish this installation process. Now successfully installed Windows Server 2008. So this is the first screen. So here I'll show my computer on desktop. Now see successfully got here, and here I need to configure some process such as time zone activation. My Windows not activated. I need to activate it here. Set up time zone. time zone, Canada, such as like typing your sense, setting my time zone here, configure network, here configure network, such as here need to internet protocol version IPv4, properties such as here time DNS, DNS, reference DNS and DNS server, reference DNS need to input here. I'm just showing for the testing purpose, so I don't do it. And here provide computer name and domain name. Type here this computer description, hardware, device manager, all those items. Computer names to apply here workflow. Next is the download, update, download, enable automatic updating feedback, and customize this server. Customize this server. Click here add role, and click next. Such as different kind of add role, active directory, certificate service, directory domain service, directory freedom service. Now I am click the checkbox here, active directory, click next, and click next. Certificate authority, uh, click here, next, 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 certificate database, next, confirmation. Click initial. Now it's installing. And it's finished. And I am close here. Now I am at something. Search here domain service. Domain service .NET Framework 3.5.1. Now I am installed. Now it's installing. Installing process finished. Successfully installed finished. Close here. Now click add role. Here. Now I am install application server. This is environment process model, environment configuration API. Uh, Click add feature, and then next. Here HTTPS activation and other those web server IT support, web server management tool, adding role, and TCP port sharing, COM network access, and then next FTP server service. I don't need to FTP server. That's why I don't install it. Now I'm installing. Successfully install it. Now I am at row. Now I am install this DHCP server, a DNS server, file server. First I will install this static port is alternative 8844 scope not configure for the then uh, file server file server file server now starting